at this point, I'm so used to just taking it from behind. I can just sit down on a bench and not flinch while the entire British Navy takes turns.
He really enjoys the British Navy, huh?
I don't remember everything. It was like, Scandinavian. I don't remember. I don't remember. Like, it just happened, like, randomly, and it was so...
This guy loves the British Navy, and he's firing off with a ton of British Navy. Does that mean he really loves semen?
Got him.